Greetings, and welcome to our tutorial on how to detect if someone is using ChatGPT or a similar language model to generate text. In this video, we will be discussing some of the common indicators and techniques you can use to spot machine-generated text and also how to bypass ChatGPT detection safely. First, let's start by talking about what ChatGPT is. ChatGPT is a large language model developed by OpenAI that is designed to generate human-like text. It has been trained on a massive dataset of human-generated text and can generate text that is difficult to distinguish from text written by a human. Now, let's talk about how you can spot machine-generated text. There are a few different techniques you can use to detect if someone is using ChatGPT or a similar language model to generate text. Look for repetitive patterns. One of the most common indicators of machine-generated text is repetitive patterns. For example, if you see the same phrase or sentence repeated multiple times, it may be a sign that the text was generated by a machine. Check for contextually inappropriate responses. Another way to spot machine-generated text is to look for responses that are contextually inappropriate. For example, if someone is responding to a question about a specific topic, but their response is completely unrelated, it could be a sign that the text was generated by a machine. Look for unnatural language. Lastly, you can also look for unnatural language as an indicator of machine-generated text. Machines may struggle to produce text that flows naturally and may use strange word combinations or sentence structures that are not typical of human-generated text. How can we bypass ChatGPT detection? Well, we have to think outside the box. People can use multiple AIs to generate different language, writing styles, and context. For example, here I'm running an essay on the origins of Bitcoin. Let's assume my teacher where to run this on software to detect if it's machine-generated. As you can see, if we paste the essay the way it was given to us by OpenAI, then the software will obviously recognize it as machine-generated. However, we can also use other bots like Quill in order to paraphrase the whole essay. That way, if we run it again under the GPT-2 output detector demo, it will be more than 98% sure that it was written by a human. Why? Because we improved the whole structure by using multiple AI algorithms. It was basically a way for us to obfuscate machine-learned language detection. In summary, there are a few different techniques you can use to detect if someone is using ChatGPT or a similar language model to generate text. By looking for repetitive patterns, contextually inappropriate responses, and unnatural language, you can help identify machine-generated text. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching.